Hi there, it's Scott. Thanks for coming back for another drone video. I went on a little exploration today. I went as far north as I can through Nikiski. If you haven't seen where the Kenai Peninsula is in Alaska, it's down towards the bottom of Alaska. And I live in Kenai, close to the beach. Follow that road all the way north until you get to the end of it before you get to, well, wilderness, and then farther north it's Anchorage and such. But it is Captain Cook State Park. It is Point Possession or something like that. Anyway, I went to the very end, took some pictures. There were people there. I was going to fly the drone right there, but I didn't want to bother anybody. So I remembered a couple places on the way back, and this is one of them. On the way back was Shady Lake. This is an overlook by the lake, and enjoyed the flight. This was really cool. I checked out the area.